Hi everybody, this is my week 10 update for my CSI 492 Capstone project. This week we are focusing on user experience testing, which is pretty much just handing people my application and saying use it. Wait 2 seconds here. Items planned for this week, UX testing. I randomly asked 3 people to order firewood. And this was at a gathering yesterday, Saturday. Each person was able to order wood without a problem. And for the sake of doing it, I asked somebody to cancel an order as well. They were able to accomplish the task without a problem. I keep getting the response from everybody that I've handed the app to use that it's very easy. And yeah, I mean, you order firewood. If you don't know what kind of wood this is, well, let's even start here. About app. This app allows you to quickly order firewood using your own email. You simply select the type and amount of wood you want, and the app asks you in a prompt how you would like to send the order using your own email application or on your phone. You select your provider and send the order. We receive it and promptly set up a delivery time. Hit the back button and order firewood. If you don't know which wood you want, you just tap what's the difference, and you see what hardwoods are and what mixed woods are. You could go back and you decide you want hardwood. Okay, you have different amounts here. What could fit? So you go to amount and you see what could fit. You hit back, of course, again, and you want 2 quarts this time. You just simply tap and you enter in your information, and you hit send, or you hit place order, at which point it'll ask you to select your email provider, and done. This is pretty much the end of the project. I'm going to deploy it to a couple devices, and I look forward to doing the presentation on the 18th. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was informational.